I think sort of people forget how regular and normal the disciples would have been. You know, it's like,
Yes.
bear in mind, the average age of the disciples, they reckon, was between 15 and 28. You know, this is not, we get this idea of all the paintings and the pictures and Peter with his long beard and
Yeah.
you know, they're old men and they're like, all look like Moses and massive muscles. You know, they were ill-educated, poor young people who were for 99% of the time scared, uncertain, confused, dazed, you know. And I don't know, I kind of wanted to strip away this kind of vision and version of Jesus that I think 2,000 years of church has portrayed to regular people. And the real version is wilder, freer, more irreverent, stronger, you know, more beautiful and tender than we'll ever imagine.